Noise from construction places can sometimes be very annoying, especially when a hammer is used constantly, isn't it, friends? Well, having gone through this situation, Prithwish Dutta from Don Bosco, West Bengal, came up with the idea of a soundproof hammer, through which the noise level of a hammer can be reduced to its minimum. His idea of soundproof hammer was covered with a foam-like substance which absorbs the impact when struck against any object, making others' lives easy. One fine day while his house was being renovated, the workers used hammers to break the floor tiles and the noise was annoying everyone around him. During any construction, the noise generated from a hammer can reach up to 110 decibel, which when exposed to more than 10 minutes can cause serious deafness. Hence, Prithwish thought of this idea of a soundproof hammer. Friends, as Steve Jobs famously said, the ones who are crazy enough to think that they can change the world are the ones who do. Just remember these words for the rest of your life, and success shall follow. Hey there, hope you liked our video. Before you go, please click on the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Please hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our interesting video. Comment down below with what other topics would you want us to cover. Do share these with your friends and family.